It doesn't take huge lifestyle changes to change things, as long as we do changes, collectively. According to official data statistics, the US has about 200 million vehicles on the road per day. Per the data, each vehicle averages around 40 miles per day. According to the US Department of Transportation, the average number of miles per gallon for cars is 25 miles per gallon. Questionable, but let's use this figure. Based on these figures, this means the typical American car uses an average of 1.6 gallons of gas per day. If the typical American car were to drive only 5 miles fewer per day, fuel consumption would be reduced by 12.5%, and the fuel costs would decrease by that amount as well. This also means we, Americans, would save over 47 million gallons of gas per day. This would decrease the total US yearly oil consumption by 17.1 billion gallons per year. It doesn't take huge lifestyle changes to change things, as long as we do changes collectively. So, when people say, "There's nothing we can do about it," there is something we can do about it. Drive 5 miles fewer per day, 35 fewer miles per week. This isn't a huge lifestyle change. Back in the old days, which so many people claim they want to go back to, it was called tightening your belt. It doesn't take huge lifestyle changes to change things, as long as we do changes collectively.